Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using TaxDome. TaxDome, found at www.taxdome.com, offers a comprehensive platform specifically designed for tax professionals. It aims to streamline and automate various aspects of a tax practice, from client onboarding and communication to document management and invoicing. The system boasts a secure portal where clients can upload their financial documents, securely message their tax preparer, and even e-sign important forms. This minimizes the need for back-and-forth emails and physical paperwork, significantly increasing efficiency. For the tax professional, TaxDome provides tools to manage workflows, track deadlines, and collaborate with team members. Features like automated reminders and task management help keep everything organized and on schedule. Furthermore, the platform integrates with various other software solutions commonly used in the tax industry, facilitating a seamless workflow. TaxDome also emphasizes its commitment to security and compliance, ensuring client data is protected and handled responsibly. The pricing structure for TaxDome is typically tiered, offering different plans based on the size and needs of the firm. It's worth exploring their website to get a detailed understanding of the specific features included in each plan and to determine the best fit for your practice. Overall, TaxDome presents itself as a robust and modern solution for tax professionals seeking to optimize their operations, enhance client communication, and improve overall productivity in a secure and compliant manner. While it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider individual requirements, TaxDome appears to be a valuable tool for those looking to modernize and streamline their tax practice in today's digital landscape. Remember to check out the link in the description for more information.